It's a little high. It was probably about 4 inches over top of the target.
That was just below the left ear, so you need to come over, come to the right a 1/4 mil and down a 1/4 mil, or 2/10. I said 2/10 of a mil.
You said right?
Right 2/10. Nice work. You're scuffing up the paint.
Somebody has to. It ain't gonna be me.
Were you going for the little one?
Yeah.
I wasn't paying attention. I thought you were going for the big one again.
Small one.
Okay. Looked like you were just a touch high and a little bit to the right. Just ever so slightly off the edge. So hold a little bit low left on the plate. Nice.
Alright, you said come up on that one?
Yeah, come up 3.
Yep.
That was right at the top of the plate. To the right of the plate, still a good shot, solid hit.
Alright, let's try that little one. Just for fun.
Little one?
Little one?
Okay. Getting a pretty good wind down there, left to right. Impact! Nice.
Good hit. Missed it just off the left edge of the plate, right about 10 o'clock. That missed right off the left edge at 9 o'clock. Nice shot.
See how much it's changed since the last time? Ready?
Send it.
Miss, 10 o'clock. Favor the lower right side of the plate.
Ready?
Send it.
That was up around the 2 o'clock position. Hold the same spot.
Ready?
Send it.
Dead center.
Let me try that little one now. Since
Alright.
everybody else is seeming like they're able to hit it. Ready?
Elevation was good. You were about 1 full plate off to the right. Same hold, just hold off left. Impact.
Nice.
Nice shot. Almost dead center, just a little on the high side. An inch or two above center on the plate. Windage was perfect. Impact. Elevation looked good, a little bit on the right side of the plate. Watch that wind flag. Impact. Almost dead center.
You shooting the big one?
I'll go try for the little plate.
Okay. That was about a half a plate high, a little left. Elevation was perfect, just off the left edge. Man, no call. I saw dirt fly. I didn't see. Do another. Almost dead center, just a little low.
You guys ready?
Bend it. That was, you need to come up 1 full mil. Impact. 12 o'clock. Your windage was almost perfect, right at the top of the plate. Windage looked good. I think you just sailed just over the top. Just favor a little lower on the plate, maybe. Okay, now that's okay. That's low.
Yeah, that went right underneath it.
Yep, just underneath. Impact. Nice shot. That was right around 2 o'clock.
You want to give her a shot?
You got a pretty strong left to right wind going.
Copy.
Your elevation looked pretty good. You were off the right edge of the plate. I need to favor the left side or make a 2/10 adjustment to the left. Wind just died. Hit. Look dead center. Small plate. Off the right edge. Just a touch low. Favor the upper left. Just off the right edge. Hit. Nice.
What do you think
Nice
of that trigger?
That was fun.
Ready?
Send it. Okay, that your elevation was good, but you were way off the right side of the plate.
Alright, ready?
Send it. Impact.
Nice.
Alright. I'm gonna try it again,
Elevation
alright?
was good.
Ready?
Send it. Impact. 2 o'clock.
Ready?
Yep. Impact. 2 o'clock.
Nice. Just off the right edge. Just favor the left edge of the plate. Elevation was good. Yep. Yeah.